Hi everyone, thanks so much for joining me in episode number 3 of my travel series where I'm giving you quick tips that make packing for your trips a heck of a lot easier. Now in today's episode we're going to go over packing for sightseeing trips. So we're talking like European vacations, maybe road trips, or even traveling around the US and checking out the major cities there. As always, I've got my handy dandy worksheets. You've got your packing lists, your outfit ideas, and your packing hacks all in these worksheets. So if you're checking out this episode on my website, click the worksheets button below me. If you're on YouTube, then there'll be a link to my website below me and you can get the worksheets there. So as with the other episodes, I'm going to talk more high level, give you tips that you might not find inside these worksheets. But if you want the actual step-by-step packing lists and everything, just grab these and you'll be good to go. So let's get started. First thing we're going to talk about is what you're packing. And so when it comes to packing for sightseeing trips, layers are key. Because when you're sightseeing, you're typically in more city kind of places, and so you might be going from different climates, and might be sunny and hot, and so you need to cover up, or maybe it's a little breezy. You might not be going on these trips during the summertime, so it could be that awkward springtime where it's warm one second with the sun and cool the next second with the breeze. So you definitely want layers. Layers are also really important for ladies when you're on sightseeing trips because if you're taking, let's say, a European vacation, you're probably going to locations that have churches and then they have, certain rules about covering your shoulders and things like that. So layers are going to be awesome. When we're talking about layers, we want to keep it neutral. So as I've talked about before, you want to have your dresses and your tops be your fun colors and patterns, but have your cardigans, jackets, and bottoms and shoes all be neutrals. So you can easily mix and match throughout your whole trip without packing too many pieces. So that's a big one. The other thing, ladies, that's important for you is if you pack a scarf, that could be a great layering piece for you because if you're cold, you could throw it on with your jacket to keep you extra warm. Or if you're going to go into a church, you could use it like a shawl. So it could have many different uses when you're packing it. So that's a big deal when we are looking at what to pack, is making sure we have layers and keeping our bases neutral. The beauty of sightseeing trips is that you're going to be able to pack kind of one outfit a day and switch out the shoes and the accessories in order to dress it up for night, because you're pretty much probably going to be walking around doing your sightseeing throughout the whole day, and then you might just want to get a little dressed up for night. So very easy, one outfit per day, extra accessories to dress things up a bit, or extra shoes for that. And when we're speaking about shoes, it's really, really, really important. One of the biggest keys when you're packing is to pack comfortable shoes. So what I recommend for those, ladies, you can look at casual sneakers are really popular right now. Steve Madden has like a quilted pair that you'll probably see often. Target makes a version of it. It's cute and it looks fashionable, but it's going to be comfortable for you, so that's a great option. Sperry's, you can get all sorts of different types that are very cute and comfortable, so that's good for you too. I recently got a pair of Rockport flats, and those have this like flex sole in them that's like memory foam, and it's super comfortable. So you could still look cute, but have that comfort shoe for you there. And even like an espadrille, those are really popular right now. I wouldn't get the type that are a lace-up, but if you get like a Cole Haan version or a Clark's version, they'll be super comfortable, they'll be a neutral for you, and you'll be able to walk around all day without having some issues. Men, you can look at casual sneakers, so maybe like a brown leather sneaker or even just a Nike athletic one, something that will match your outfits without being, too dressed down. But again, comfort is key, and so make sure to try on those shoes, wear them for a whole day before you decide to pack them for your trip. Because it's the worst when you get on a trip and the shoes are uncomfortable and you start getting, cuts on your heels or your feet are too tight in them, and then you're focused more on your feet and being uncomfortable than you are on enjoying the trip. So make sure to try your shoes on before you pack them. Moving on into outfit formulas and outfit ideas. Like I had said before, you're basically just going to transition. So make sure, ladies, that you have either one transitional scarf that you can use throughout the day to dress up your outfit. Pack one pair of dressier shoes. Now, your shoes that you wear throughout the day, if you do get a cute pair of flats, might be able to transition, or you might even want to pack a heel or something so that you can dress up for night. So think about that. Men, you want to make sure you pack maybe a chukka boot or a nice loafer. Again, something that you can easily dress up with jeans and a button down, but then you have your more casual shoes for the day. And last but not least, let's move on to your packing hacks. So my biggest thing I've talked about, you want your neutrals, that'll save on space. 2-in-1 items is really going to help you save on space. So ladies, we're talking about, I have a poncho right now that's in my shop, and you can wear it as a poncho or you can wear it as a scarf. And so again, a great way to cover up if you're going into churches or something, another way to keep you warm, and being able to switch out your outfits without packing too many pieces. Men, you can find quarter zips that are actually reversible, and so that's a great way, again, layering, switching up your outfits, and not packing too many pieces. So 2-in-1 items are going to be huge for you. Packing neutrals in order to switch up your outfit is very important as well. And then packing those right shoes, that's a big packing hack, making sure you try them on. But my biggest thing, especially when you're on sightseeing trips, is to pack the right men wallet, ladies purses. So in order to do that, I recommend getting RFID wallets and purses. And so I have an example here. Ladies, I have this purse that I got as a gift when I went to Italy, and it's amazing. It actually has a slash-proof strap to it, so if you're going around, nobody can slash the bag off and steal it from you, which if you're going on a European vacation, I know it kind of sounds dramatic, but you do really want to be careful. I was abroad in Florence, Italy for 4 months, and while I was there, a lot of people did have issues, and so having something like this, safety first, and you'll be much more comfortable that way. Men, I don't know if I still have it in here. Let's see, I haven't really used this since I went to Florence. Oh, I do. So I've got this little wallet in here too. It's got the RFID, so you want to make sure that you have this safe logo on it. Men, you could get more traditional wallets that do this, but ladies, this is what I used to use just to keep my passport and other things safe within this bag. Another good option for you too in terms of just like keeping things organized when you pack. This is a purse that I sell, ladies, and you can see it's got little tabs here. So you've got a place for your tickets, your passports. I even like to use this during the weekday because I end up throwing all my receipts in my bag, and this way you can organize it. So it's definitely kind of a 2-for-1 piece for you there. But just finding ways to organize your stuff so you don't lose it, and finding ways to make sure that your stuff is safe and that it's not getting stolen on your sightseeing trips, so you can focus on what you're looking at and not be focused on clutching your personal belongings. So I hope these tips have been super helpful for you. Again, make sure you grab these worksheets to find all the laid out details. And if you have questions, as always, let me know. And please comment on either clicking the YouTube button on my website, or if you're on YouTube, leave a comment below. Let me know where you're going on your next sightseeing trip and what was your favorite tip that you're excited to put into play when you go on that trip. Thanks so much, guys. I look forward to sharing my next and last episode in the travel series with you soon. Or if you're watching this after I've posted them all, then click next and you will learn how to pack for short trips like work trips or fun weekend trips. Thanks again, guys, and have a great day. Bye.